Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the map.size method. So similar to the set.size method, it just returns you the number of elements in the map object. So what I'm gonna do is create a um, const call map1, and it will be a prototype for the map object. Yeah, and then what I'm gonna do is map one dot one. No, what the heck, what just I did now? Yeah, so map one dot set, and we're gonna pass a comma alpha, a bunch of strings. So this will be the first, and the next will be the map one dot set, not set. So you idiot, you can't even type properly. And next is better, and last is map one dot set. The last one will be G for gamma. And when we done with that, now we just come in for the size. So map one dot size method, so size, and it will returns you the size, so it's 3. So as you can see that there are 3 objects and it can give you the 3. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.